Class, settle down, settle down. We are going to be talking about syllables today. Do you know what a syllable is, Itzel?
I think it's like the different sounds a word makes.
Yes, it is the different sounds that comprise a word. So today, we are going to try and decode words so we can figure out how many syllables they have. So, all words are made up of syllables. These syllables are uninterrupted segments of sound. You make these sounds by opening and closing your mouth during a word. Now, it doesn't have to be a full open and close. A lot of the time, it is just enough to start to create a new sound. And every syllable that you have will have a vowel in it. Do you know what our vowels are?
Yes. A, I, O, U, E.
And sometimes Y. And those syllables will be pieced together to create a word. Speaking of vowels, though all syllables have a vowel in it, some syllables may have more than one vowel in them. So it does get a little tricky sometimes. So here we are going to try and break down the words, figuring out how many syllables are in each word based on how many times we close our mouths. So, blue.
Blue, 1.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, 2 syllables.
Yes, good job. Now here is a challenging one. Unforgettable.
Unforgettable, 5.
Good job. Now, as you can see with our multiple syllable words, they almost have a sort of beat to them. Unforgettable. You see how you can pace out the sounds with your hands? We are going to work on that today. Banana. Banana. Good job. Watermelon. Watermelon. Hamburger. Hamburger. These words are easily clapped out, and that will help you understand how many vowels are in the word. How many syllables are in the word. How many times you clap is how many syllables you have. So, we are going to read a poem today and try and decode what words have multiple syllables, and then we are going to break those down. So, I will read it to you first. It is called Easy. The best thing about soup in a disposable cup is not the quality of the soup, but the ease of preparation and the disposability of the cup. Because I love them and wish them well, may all my lovers who found me so easily wooed also find me easily discarded. Now, could you please read this for me?
The best thing about soup in a disposable cup is not the quality of the soup, but the ease of preparation and the disposability of the cup. Because I love them and wish them well, may all my lovers who found me so easily wooed also find me easily discarded.
Nice. And I am going to read this poem word by word, and if you could give me a yes if it has more than one syllable, and a no if it is a one syllable word. Thank you. The
No.
best
No.
thing
No.
about
Yes.
soup
No.
disposability
Yes.
of
No.
the
No.
cup
No.
because
Yes.
I
No.
love
No.
them
No.
and
No.
wish
No.
them
No.
well.
No.
May
No.
all
No.
my
No.
lovers
Yes.
who
No.
found
No.
me
No.
so
No.
easily
Yes.
wooed
No.
also
No.
find
No.
me easily
Yes.
discarded.
Yes.
Good job, Itzel. As you can see, you were able to point out every word that had multiple syllables. And now I would appreciate if you could take out the piece of paper I gave you and break them down into these syllable sounds. For example, for number one's about, you're going to try and break it up in a simple A, about, as the syllabalistic sounds. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
All right. Okay. And let me know when you have finished that.
I'm almost done. Awesome.
Okay, now if you could come to the board and take a pen and underline the different sounds on the board like that.
You want me to do all of them?
Yes, please. If you want to use different colors for each one, you're more than welcome. And if you could write the number of syllables above each word. Thank you. All right, so what are syllables?
The sounds that the words make.
And what does each syllable contain?
Vowel.
And what are your vowels?
E-I-O-U-A.
And sometimes
Y.
Y. Yes. Thank you so much for your participation today. And we will be going over this in class more next week. Do you have any further questions?
No.
Wonderful. And do you think today's lesson was helpful?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much.